Testing. Hello. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Hey, how you guys doing today?
Dude, you're back.
I'm back. Back from
Man.
Texas. Back to building bikes. So I already got the trike rear end done on this, but I got a little something behind you that I'm gonna put on the front, which if you're a long time viewer, you know what that is. Start taking it apart, get a quad frame on it. I got some suspension sitting over there for it. I got some A-arms, all kinds of fun stuff for it. It's for a good customer of ours, so let's get her done.
Alex, we gotta talk, bud.
We gotta talk.
Where the hell have you been?
Well, I moved to Texas for a little while. What, 2 years?
Yep.
Everybody's
gonna ask.
Yeah, no, I was working.
Everybody was asking me, and I didn't really.
I was working a maritime construction job. Construction sucks, kids. Stay in school. Or find a guy like Bill to work for. That's why I came back.
Keep building bikes.
Keep building bikes.
Yeah, we got we got 100 more projects to do, so it's gonna be a good time. And a lot of you guys obviously enjoyed when Alex was on film, so we're
back on the YouTube.
Super pumped to have him back. But I'm gonna flip the camera around. Let's talk about this quad conversion. So yeah, a couple upgrades. We got some mini splits all over the shop. It's a toasty, I don't know, 80 in here.
Probably
still.
right now.
It's like 100, 120 outside.
Better than 95.
Yeah. So guys, this is the quad conversion frame. If you didn't see the last video, I'm gonna put a link up for it. But yeah, custom swing arm, custom subframe, intake. This is all from our trike kit. And as you guys know, we do the quad conversion kit. We haven't really done a lot with it, other than we've done a few of them. But yeah, this is a used one that I pulled off my personal bike, and it's going on Rob's bike. So he's super pumped to start riding it, racing it, testing it, doing all kinds of fun stuff. So the frame basically just sits up in here like this. And we've got a nice little tower that goes up here. So I've got all the parts laid out. And again, this is the same stuff that you guys saw in one of the other videos of me riding the bike. Thing was a beast, super lightweight. It hauled ass, I'm not gonna lie. We did this because obviously you can't get a modern CRF450R. So you either do what we did and convert a dirt bike, or you build a custom chassis like a TRX250R and you swap the engine. Now, we went with some Diamond J shocks. Rob was open to try these out, so we're gonna give them a try. They look decent. And I'm not going to knock anything till I try it. They were super affordable. Got a nice triple rate setup with all the adjustments. So we will do a ride review on that later. But for now, we're going to test them out, get them on this bike, and see how they do. If they work good, we're going to use them in the future.
Rob will definitely put them to the test.
Oh yeah.
That man uses and abuses his bikes.
Absolutely.
He is a good test mule, especially for this quad.
Yep. All right, well, we got our tools organized. Got our parts laid out, so back to time lapse. We're gonna continue on in this thing and get it going.
right, Bill, where are we at?
Alex, what is this, like day 3?
I think it's day 3 of this build.
But really, we haven't spent 3 full days on it. We're just waiting on parts and
on parts and bits and bobs.
Fucking around as always.
Yeah.
But yeah, currently waiting on a new battery because that went dead. This bike is a 2017, but front end's on. So as we were talking, these shocks did not fit the CRF450RX frame, so I simply just cut the bushing down in the lathe. And for right now, we've got a couple washers on the bottom. I'm going to replace that with a billet spacer. We're just getting our measurements. But yeah, after I actually recharged these, so I added some nitrogen to the reservoirs, and I've got them feeling really good. At first, they were a little bit soft, so we played with the preload and the clickers and obviously added the nitrogen. It seemed like they were charged, but not to my liking. I like to run around 175 to 200 on shocks like that. So yeah, guys, Alex has been busting his ass getting this thing together. It went together pretty damn good. Everything bolted up just like it did on the last frame. So it is nice to see that Honda has consistency between these frames. Now, the next thing we're on is basically trimming fenders. So we're gonna enter some clips of trimming plastic. And I've also cut the exhaust. I've got the can relocated and spaced out where I want. So we're gonna do a custom mid pipe in the center here. So more or less when you go to the trike or ATV subframe, you're basically just changing the position of your exhaust. Now the next thing you wanna check is you wanna make sure the exhaust is actually gonna clear the caliper. If we were to bottom out, right there's about where the caliper would be. So that's actually gonna clear the can pretty nicely. But yeah, anything to add, Alex?
No, kit went together super smooth. I haven't put one of these together in probably 3 years.
Yeah,
Did have a few little hiccups, but
been a minute.
But it went together nice, smooth, and easy, just like the trike kits.
I know everybody's gonna ask what A-arms we have. It's kind of a budget build, so we went with the cheaper shocks. We've got the Alba long travel A-arms and an Alba bumper. Their stuff's actually decent quality for the price, so if you guys are looking for budget A-arms, those are definitely it. Yeah, we were gonna do billet arms on this. I keep talking about billet arms, we're just not there yet. I'd say in the next like 2 months we should have something machined. But yeah, we'll keep rolling on this, and hopefully in the next clip we'll have this thing started up. All right guys, so the best way to do this, I already have your muffler hanging. Cut the piece that you want. So basically I took some measurements from right here to here. I've got everything kind of mocked up with this piece right here. So quite simply just gonna move the muffler out of the way and slide it back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack it up. And I'm gonna take it over to the Everlast welder and do some nice welds on it on the bench. But for right now, we're just gonna tack this up real quick. Dude, this thing looks too proper.
Dude, she's ready to rip.
We've got a couple more things to do, but we're pretty much there.
Finishing touches, it's all it needs.
Gonna do some graphics, final bolt check. We've already set the sag and the suspension where we want it. Yeah, it's hard to believe a couple days ago this was a dirt bike.
Yeah, a red dirt bike. Looks like it belongs in a showroom.
I don't know, you guys comment, you let me know what you think. I think it looks like a quad. You guys saw the last one. It's kind of cool seeing it with the black plastic, something different. Rob likes the Batman look. Got the jet trim seat with the 1-inch extra foam. So he's a taller rider, so he likes a tall seat and tall bars, so this thing's gonna fit him well. Got a ton of legroom right here. Actually more than a TRX450R. Yeah, wheelbase wise, we're I believe 51.5 inches. Not too bad. We've got drop mount right here because the dirt bike frame is very tall. So if we would have left it like a normal steering stem, these bars would have been even higher. The last one I ran a CR low. These are just a standard CR bend bar that comes on the dirt bike. Then we're gonna make some final tweaks, but yep, Alex did some powder coat on the Nerf bars, turned out really good. Super happy with it. You guys comment, let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the next video. Be ripping this thing. Now this one is a little bit different than the last one. So this bike has the oversized gas tank. The last bike we did was the R model. This is the RX. So again, it has the gas tank right here. So we're actually gonna make a bracket that ties off here.
Thank you.
Just kind of pulls this in right here.
Yeah.
I also gave this a 2-inch lift kit. Just with this hood, I wanted it up a little bit more. This is the plastic we ran last time on the other build. He did not like this hood. But yeah, pretty cool. What do we got there, Alex?
I got some new bars.
Okay.
I had some 7/8 bars in stock, so
Cool.
it's got a bar pad.
It's got a bar pad. These are the originals from the dirt bike, so we're just gonna swap them out. He had hand guards. We decided to take them off.
Hey, they were red. The bike is black.
Yeah. So no red skid plate?
I mean, skid plate's a little different. Handguards are kind of in your face.
Yeah. Not bad. I don't have much to say.
I'm
out of words.
speechless.
I just want to ride it, but we're not gonna ride it right this second. Everyone's gonna have to wait for the next video.
Yeah.
That's just how it works.
All right. Bye for now.